Well, hello and welcome. Welcome to another Vandal Day time vlog. I've just picked up a washing machine. And I know what you're thinking. I've just gone the wrong way. But Vandal, how the hell, bloody son, how the hell did you get a washing machine in that van? Because you stacked it to the rafters. Well, good news. Your boy Vandal went to the scrapyard this morning. But bad news. That scrapyard isn't open till the 4th of January. In fact, none of them are. So that's a bit of a ball ache. But me being the cunning fox that I am, I was able to make space in the back. Because when I got a message this morning, and just as I woke up, and the guy said, "Can you pick up a washing machine?" and I went, "Yeah, sure," totally forgetting that the van was full. So I didn't want to let the guy down, because that's just not cricket, is it? So I made room, and would you Adam and Eve it, I got it in there just, and there's even a little bit more room. I mean, I could probably get a little tumble dryer in there or two. So we're having a little scoot around, just going to see what we can find. All good times in the hood. What up, lady? Oh, puddle. I'll have a little mooch around. I'm probably not going to get a lot on film. I don't like head cam during the day, especially with kids around and that. If you're from the UK, you'll understand, because, you know, that's a quick way to lose your teeth around these parts. Do you know what I mean? And they don't ask questions. You get that, and no questions whatsoever. Actually, none. It's just, get that camera off my kid, bro. Which is fair enough. So we don't do that. But if I see anything, I'll be sure to let you know. That was a fridge with a cord on it. Damn it. What up, Vandals? It's the first ride out of the year. Go and see what we can get in trash. Oh damn. Oh, looks like the bike might have been a bad choice. This is the first ride out on the trail, because that's what foxes call it. They don't call it routes or routes and get confused by it, they call it a trail. It's me, this has been here for a while. Oh, just a little bit of air in there. That's all that was. Just a little bit of air. Other than that, she's all good. All good up in the hood. I'll take that big fat juicy cord. All day. I bet that's copper in there. Might have to come back for that one. We've got some metal here, look. Plastic. what that is. Oh, blinking plug. What's on the end of that then? I don't like being in there too long because my bike's just outside. It's not locked up or anything. So that could just go walkies. It's got my phone on it and everything. 300 quid set out there, which is not a lot for a bike, I suppose. Right, onward. Couple of blinging rotors there. I haven't been too bad so far. 3 stops, 2 good finds. Not too shabby. I'll get them rotors. I don't know if I'll be able to get them other bits in. But I'll try. I want to go in heavy. I want to kick the year off big. I've got orders ready to pick up as well. I've got 5 potential customers waiting for appliances to be picked up on the 4th. So I need to be at the yard early, get it emptied. I reckon at the moment I could probably get it filled up on the same day. Which would be nice. Let's get this party started. Nothing, it's junk. It's nice though. It's not so frosty tonight. No cats. I saw a fox when I came out. That was it. So I got a cooker the other night up here. Not tonight though. Oh, television. Oh yeah, it's got a little cordy. Oh, emotional. Oh, a little bit of metal there. Right of it. I think we've got about 3-4 more down there. And go up to the honey hole. A few little scrappy bits. Damn cans. There's some bits around. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, la 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 la. Oh, what that is? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's taking you, honey. It's one big old worm we got there. Damn. Right, them big worms. Bit of aluminium on there. See someone over there catching my eye and all. Well, so far 2021 is pretty good. There's stuff on the streets anyway. That's the main thing. Oh, looky looky. We got ourselves another television. Oh, yeah, I'd say that's broken. I'm not an expert on TVs or nothing, but I'd say that's mullered. Bloody plugs. I've got millions of them. Not wake up any stoners tonight, eh? What? How come I never find shoes in Nike boxes? What's going on? What that is? The hell's been driving across here? Here we are at the honey hole. That's supposed to be a skid then. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. La 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 la. It's a decent tree, that one. Is it fake? It is fake. I can't even tell the difference. Why are they throwing that out in the trash? They were really keen to get it up. It's like they were keen to get it down. Oh, little doggies. Oh, we really should get that out of there, shouldn't we? We can't be bothered. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, so I don't think the neighbours would appreciate it. Smells like perfume. I like it. What is going on? Why can't they throw stuff in the bins? What's wrong with these people? Hmm? Well, how many bins they got here now then? Oh yeah. It's supposed to be over there, aren't they? There's nothing here. It's a shame. Can you hear the pigeons? I doubt there'd be anything down here. Same as it was the other night. Wow. You're a big dude, aren't you? Flipping heck. If I had somewhere to put it, I'd put it away till next year, and that'd be worth some money. Maybe. Oh, what have we got down here? I think the light in my torch is starting to go. Damn thing. Alright, let's go up the road. Them fake ones, wooden ones again. It's not even real metal. I'm not singing it again. I've already sang it twice. There's two of them in there. They're real ones, aren't they? Oh, they are and all. Wow. That damn real Christmas tree, y'all. We'll go over here then. Teasing me with a Lego. Damn Lego. Feet are starting to get cold. Got one up here, I don't know whether to go home or not. We'll go and get the car. What time is it? 5 to 1. I don't know, see, it's starting to snow. Aluminium. Damn cat. Oh, I don't know what to do. That's the end of my short circuit. I don't know whether to go out there or get the car or what. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. See what that'll come out tomorrow. I think I'm going to call it there for tonight, guys. Just a nice little short circuit. And I'll get home, put this video together. This will be my first one of the year. And start making another one for tomorrow. I'll go out during the day tomorrow in the van, start topping that off. And I need to do my update. Yeah, I'll give you guys an update as well. But it's not a bad little start to the year, I suppose. First night out on the bike, van's full. I call that a win. Anyway, until next time, it's be either tomorrow or the next day. Be cool, be kind. I'll see you next time. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the shout outs. You know who you are. It was very cool. Very, very cool. Catch up with you guys later. Oh, I'm as cold as a penguin's ballsack. Oh, there's a chair there and all that. Flipping scrap all over the place.